What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 22nd of December. We're going to take a look at Flare Network / Tether this morning. This will be a daily chart. So it'll be FLRUSDT will be the ticker symbol here on KUCOIN. On Tradingview, the data will be from KUCOIN. So it's been a while since we took a look at Flare. We do have it on our watch list. Do not hold it. Do not trade it. But I have covered it quite a bit a few months back. So we'll do a quick recap and then share some of my thoughts moving forward here in the market. So take a look back here. We had this pennant pattern that was forming when Flare, I guess, went live. We had the initial breakout upside to the upside, which pulled back into the pennant pattern, which got flipped. That was the top. And then the markets rolled over. We actually broke down below very, very heavy, had a big retrace, quieted down, another retrace, and then the markets rolled over with everything else. Found some support down there at the 1269, so that's 0.01269 level, this white line on the chart. Continued to roll over, bottomed out in late October, and then we started the new uptrend. What do I look for when I say the words new uptrend? I look for higher highs and higher lows. So we had a higher high, higher low, and then we got another real nice higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, but then we did continue back to the upside. So along with, this looks like the Bitcoin chart, at least this side of the chart right now. Bitcoin is cooling off. We're still waiting to see if it's going to make a new high or not. It's very close, but it seems to be cooling off. So, it can happen at any time, and that'll obviously help Flare move higher. Flare came in at resistance once again. Or I shouldn't say once again because it's the first time off the bottom here, but one of our levels there at 0.02. So that's right here. We get the correct tool. Pulled right up to that, and we have cooled off ever since. So we have, if you're looking for upper targets, so if you're bullish on Flare, you think Flare's going to go higher. Basically right here, like 2324 is target number one if we can break out into some new highs. And then my target number two would be up there at like 2627. So that would put the price, let's see here, if I can get the correct tool. From where we're at now, the 2324 level, about a 43%. And then if we're up there at the 2627, that's about a 60% move. But right now it looks like Flare actually, it wants to kind of roll over. Maybe we go back test these highs over here, right around the 1415 area. And if they really pull the plug on the market here, probably to back down to the 1269 area. That was basically the big breakout zone. We had resistance, and then we had the very large breakout take place on the first, let's see, that was December 1st, actually. So earlier this month, rally, and cool off. So that's kind of what I see here for Flare. Is there's your bullish scenario, like I said, is up there at the 2324 level, and then if they send the market a little higher, 2627, and that's just what I have on my chart. I don't have the 2324 lines on the chart, but that would be my price, and then 2627, which gets you back up into this previous range here where there was support for a little while before it broke, and then that's where that big break came before they rallied the market once again. But right now, the trend is pretty strong to the upside. Pullbacks are pretty normal. But if Bitcoin doesn't continue to move higher, then there's almost no chance that flare is going to get up to those upper targets, at least right now. The odds really do favor a lower price if Bitcoin starts to roll over. So let me know if you're looking to buy flare or if you've been holding flare since back in here and maybe you're underwater. Were you accumulating down in this area at the basically the 1 cent area? Let me know down in the comments and keep your eyes on Bitcoin. We'll take a look at Bitcoin real quick since we're talking about it. So you can see Bitcoin is very close to putting in so we got a break above the 5th of December. We're very close. So we're keeping an eye on that. If that happens, it could be probably a very big breakout. 2, it'll fuel most, if not all, of the cryptocurrency markets. So we're very close here. Basically got a higher low. We're in a this is a lower high so far. So keep your eye out, because if this can't break out, it could be a very nasty down day, big red candle, and probably undercut these lows here, which would take the price basically down to 38,601, and that could happen very quick. So let's see. It's in an important area. And like I said, if it can break out, it'll probably be a very strong. So we're right in the middle. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, that's my thoughts on flare. Like I said, let me know down in the comments if you're looking to get into flare, if you've been holding flare. Feel free to share whatever you like down there. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Check out my woodworking channel down in the video description. Take care.